Hello guys, 大家下午好. Good afternoon everyone. So today I'm going to represent about the Chinese consonant for especially for the pinyin. As you have learned, if you learn about the previous video, you're gonna see it. The way that I taught you is like I follow the pinyin, but here the basic of reading the pinyin, you need to know the consonant and also the vowels of that, the elements of the pinyin character and how to pronounce it, because Chinese is different, right? They have the Chinese character and also the pinyin, but the one that can help us how to read the Chinese characteristic is the pinyin. So in this video, I'm going to represent the consonant and how to pronounce the basic Chinese pinyin. Okay, look at the word that I show you. This is the Chinese pinyin consonant. Like you can repeat after me. Like it, for example, about the English, you just learn about the letter, right? A B C D E F. So this is kind of this is the mark or the notation of the pinyin. Okay, just follow me how to read it. I will read it carefully and slowly. I will repeat it 2 times to make you guys know about the pronounce of it. But if I am not correctly, so you can find the Chinese video. They're gonna pronounce it very correctly. But for me, I'm not the original Chinese. That's why my pronoun is gonna be a little bit not correct. Okay, let's start with this character. Hua, 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 mua, mua, phua, phua, tưa, tưa, thưa, thưa, nưa, nưa, lưa, lưa, cưa, cưa, khưa, 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 chi, 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 zhi, zhi, shi, 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 ru, ru, zi, zi, si, 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 e, e, u, u. But this part, right, as you see, uh, like, zi, si, zhi, shi, shi, this one is both kind of these pronouns is almost the same. How to pronounce it is almost the same, but you need to practice more and more if you could add this one. Especially if you have the Chinese friend, they're gonna tell you which one is correct and which one is not correct. Here, like when I pronounce it, I also follow my Lao Shi, or like Chinese friend gonna tell, okay, you should pronounce like this, but when we make the full sentence of that, they're gonna they can recognize, okay, okay, like this is a foreigner, they don't know, or like the way that they pronounce is not correctly, they're gonna get understanding. Like it's hard for foreigner to have the accent like Chinese. Yeah, it's so hard, but you can try this one. That's why the pinyin is the basic beginning how to read the Chinese character. So you have to learn this one. If you know and you remember how to read the pinyin, it's easy for you to continue the next level of the Chinese. Okay, for example, here they have the example in here, like this one, the name of it is poor, right? Okay, poor, poor, B and added O, poor, poor, poor. Okay, and this one is guang for example. See, we can read this one for because we see this one, but it's hard to remember and you don't know how to read it, and then you just use the pinyin to help you. Okay, you read the pinyin for. Okay, for shang for. This one is shang for. Okay, this one is more yu. For example, more yu. And how do I know this? Because I learned it, so I have practiced a lot of the Chinese character. That's why I remember how it look like and how it reads. Sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's not correct. But never mind. Just for learning. If I know that it's not correct, I check the dictionary other or here because this is the beginning for you guys. You don't know how to check the dictionary, but later I will upload a bit more information about the Chinese for you. It's gonna help you to learn Chinese like a real Chinese learner. Yeah, kind of like me. Okay, for this one, read for 像 and 好的 okay 好的 sometimes they read sometimes they read okay 好的 this one is read 好的 is mean okay 好的 yes like this this one read 特别 this one read 特别 this one is this one how to read this one呢 oh 什么呢 was what is that 什么呢 like what and this one is if you can see this one the tone this one is called tone is the fourth tone is called 乐快乐 and we will learn about the tone for the next video and this one also like read it is 歌唱歌 is mean sing and 科 this one 科学家 is kind of the professional, yeah. And 喝 is mean this one 喝水 is mean drink the water. 飞机 is mean airplane. And 气 this one read 气 because they heard first tone. 天气 is mean weather. And this one is 西 okay. We read this one is 西瓜 is mean kind of the name of the fruit. Yeah. And 知 this one read 知 and this word is 知道 is mean no. KNOW is no, that no. And 吃 this one read 吃饭 is mean eating. This one is called 师 is mean this one 老师 is mean me teacher is called 老师 okay 日 this one is called 日 is mean day 红 is mean red 红日 it should be red day I guess okay this is the quite interesting for the Chinese sometimes you don't understand the words but you understand like one by one and then you can combine it and then you guess it the meaning of the sentence so this one is very interesting this one is 自卫 自卫 is mean kind of the test like uh 自卫 is kind of the life test something like this 自卫 and 词语 is mean vocabulary or the words 思维 is tougher I think yeah as I remember and this one is evil sometimes they have the same same sound it is the same sound of the pinyin but the Chinese character is different it means different meaning but the pinyin or how to pronounce it almost the same but the meaning is different because of the Chinese character this one is right like this. It's gonna be kind of ifo is mean close. Okay. U Uya. Yeah, this one is Uya is kind of the bird. Okay, birds, and they have the every Chinese characteristics. They have the original meaning of that. If you learn with the Chinese people, you're gonna know deeply, especially the Chinese philosophy. They're gonna tell you the story and the historical of the Chinese characteristic, why it should be like this, like that. It's very cool. I I motivated you guys to learn Chinese. Yeah, 谢谢大家. I will stop this video today, and I hope you practice more and more about how to pronounce the pinyin. It help you a lot if you know this one. Okay, 谢谢大家，再见。